My mouth's getting hot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Them old mistakes are gone, I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's new news. I done did that before. I turn.
Guys, we had to sneak out. We don't have the kids with us. We went to
Dirty Licken Chicken.
Dirty Licken Chicken. We had to pull over to eat before we
I got
got
the Parmesan garlic chicken. What you got?
This one's a medium buffalo. It's so good. But their blue cheese is like the best blue cheese. I don't like blue cheese. I like the one with the sauce. This one tastes like it has garlic in it.
Cause I dipped my sauce in there.
Your chicken?
I dipped my chicken in there.
Yeah, man.
What? I'm hungry.
I have to roll my wing in the sauce.
Can I get more sauce, please? Wait, I can get it.
No, I'll get it.
Thank you.
You're incapable.
No, you're not holding your plate. You're eating the stuff over there.
The blue cheese is bomb. You didn't say that. And no, you get ranch because you didn't want blue cheese. So good. What's your favorite wing?
Oh,
Like, is it the wing or is it the drumstick?
drumstick.
I like the wings.
Wings is on yours.
Like the ones with the 2 bones in them. I don't know why.
Where's your coleslaw?
It's your coleslaw. What? Huh?
Oh, and she can feed me.
Why not? I fed all the other babies. Might as well feed the biggest one of all. We should do this.
Once a week.
RunAways. It's about that sauce. We bought 30 wings total. I don't like that part. Guys, if you know me, I don't eat chicken like how Danny eats chicken. Hold up your bone compared to mine. This is mine. And we wash our hands, so. Oh, I'm gonna make this a series, babe, on YouTube, and we're gonna make plenty money off of it.
Okay.
And we won't have to work.
Some good chicken.
I like it. Dirty Licken. Aiea.
There's gotta be better ones, but for now, Dirty Licken Chicken is legit.
Well, if there are better ones, go ahead and comment down below. I'm really doing this. So you're scared to get the hot ones.
I'm not scared. I just forgot which ones it was.
There's no flavor. I don't like it. The buffalo one has so much flavor.
Yeah, because that's the first one you tried, so. And
they
you
make
stuck
that-
it with your mouth.
Yeah, it's fine. Grab, come in the frame.
I am. Look at this, huh? Look at this. Still meat.
What? I think it's funny when people drive past us and they're just looking at us.
Let them look. They wish they can eat right now, that's why.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'll get some. Oh.
You cannot do that. You have to eat in front of the camera.
Why?
Because if you're gonna make legit YouTube videos, you have to be in front of the camera. My mouth's getting hot.
Oh, we should do crab neck this week.
This sounds good, y'all.
Yeah. Not bad.
What the hell?
Bumbo! Bro.
At least I fell in the bag. Jalapeno papas. Dance break. Here's what their poppers look like. The whole jalapeno came out. I won't be able to enjoy the rest of this.
The creamy.
You eat that.
No, it's good. Eat it.
I'm done.
Bro. Useless.
I'm done. I need something sweet now. You done with this?
Can we put my bones in there?
Okay.
Please.
You want me to touch the ones you eat?
No, why you have to do, bro?
Don't do that.
Hold this. Thank you.
Oh, my stomach. Ew.
What?
Right, you're a mess, babe.
Wait, what's here? Oh. Well,
I hope you enjoyed our first episode of the series of, what do you call this? Parents eating out. The runaway.
Level up, 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 level up.